video.
A video.
Go through the animals.
Alright, go. Get out of here. This is Sally, aka Heather. Ready? Go. You okay, Sally? Shut up. Sally doesn't like that. See? Don't make it.
Yeah, you people are whack. I'm taking his hat back.
Are you hungry?
Oh, feed him. Hey, my dad has autism.
Okay.
And plus I know cow.
Sally, you want me to friend? Yeah. Is he making noise? No. He's a fun. Butterball.
I don't know what I'm naming mine. Do you guys have ideas for what I should name mine?
He sounds sick.
What should I name mine?
I forget. It's a friend. Butterball.
No, I would say...
This is Fred, a.k.a. who?
A.k.a. Lunch. A.k.a. Lunch.
Moving you.
My bear ain't afraid of nothing. Except for maybe a transformer.
Except for Metal, except for Sally, a.k.a. Ready?
Polar bears can eat a walrus.
That was the greatest one.
What is that?
It's okay. What noise the turkey's made?
What should I name mine? What should I name this?
Okay, you're not doing it. Man, that hurt. Sorry. Once upon a farm.
No, once upon a polar bear. Once upon a polar bear. More funny.
I think it broke.
I should have
Okay, here's this. Okay. We're done with Fred. Butterball. Heather. I mean, it's a Sally time.
A.k.a. lunch meat.
Yes.
And then it's cold. And then it's worm time.